Hello and welcome to the $1 Million Cabin. We have a great stock pick for you today. It is ILUS. Even though it has been dropping recently, just because it spiked up there, it is going to have a pullback. So it has fallen recently, so watch your entry point. You might be able to get into it a little bit lower, but ILUS will be uplisting to the NASDAQ eventually. And the CEO confirms there will be no reverse splits. Outstanding shares will be reduced to 1 billion or less, and revenues expected to exceed 1 billion plus in the next 2 to 3 years. Acquaintances of Avira Drones forecasted valuation is over $1 billion. Yeah, the drone company will be doing drone deliveries. Always a great interest in drone deliveries, since that leg of the delivery operation costs the most for delivery companies, getting it from the airplane to the person's house or to the business. All of ILUS spin-offs currently worth over $3 billion. So they have so many different businesses and spin-offs going on. It just makes ILUS worth even more. So this is a great company to get into. ILUS, once again, on the OTC market. ILUS is a great stock. It is low, dropping recently, so watch it, check it out. It's around 17 cents right now, so you might be able to get a little cheaper. It was up near the 24-cent recently, so look at how far it's dropped. Check it out, research it, do your DD. Remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe for more great stock picks all the time. Hit that like button, subscribe.